On the 16th of October 2024, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, alongside his former classmates including the Director of Tourism, Government of Meghalaya Cyril V Diengdoh, paid tribute to the late brother Eric Steve D'Souza at a memorial held at St. Edmund's Chapel, Shillong. Attendees included past pupils, students, well-wishers and brother D'Souza's family members, that included his sister Nisha and her husband. Brother D'Souza, a respected educator and Christian brother, made a lasting impact during his tenure at St. Edmund's School, where he mentored numerous students, including Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. His passing away was announced on the 14th of October by the school's current principal, Brother Solomon Morris. Brother D'Souza passed away in Goa following a prolonged illness. His mortal remains were brought to Shillong on the 15th of October, with a funeral mass held on the 16th of October at St. Edmund's Chapel before his burial at Lajumkhra Catholic Cemetery.
May you continue to console them and continue to guide them always. Lord, hear our prayer.
Lord, hear our prayer.
Dear Lord Jesus, we also praise the congregation, the Christian brothers. May you continue to bless them, especially with more members, to work in the vineyard of the Lord. Lord, hear our prayer.
Lord, hear our prayer.
We also remember to pray in a special way for this institution, St. Edmund's. May you continue to bless all the brothers, all the staff, the students of this institute, and may you continue to guide us, continue to guide this institution. Lord, hear our prayer.
Lord, hear our prayer.
Make us God your own. To your goodness, Lord, we bring bread of our labor and wine to cheer our heart.
Forward, embracing the poor and marginalized in our own life, just as he did. Second reading, first reading of today, letter of St. Paul to the Romans. St. Paul reminds us, if we are belonging to him, if we live for the Lord.
Good afternoon, everybody. I stand here as a representative of Dasu's second family, his first being the Irish Christian Brothers, Providence, his students, and every one of you here in Shillong. Over the last few days, we have seen the outpouring of love, affection, dedication, and it has been overwhelming. It speaks of a man who's made a big impact. But my siblings and I would like to thank every one of you who have given him the support and the platform to let Dasu do what he does best, which is to impact lives for the better. As an elder brother to 8 of us, Eric, as he is known at home, was our guiding light. And like to all of you, he nudged each one of us at home, including my parents, to be a better version of themselves every day. Before I end, I want to thank Brother Steve and the Irish Christian Brothers to lay Eric, Dasu, Brother D'Souza, to rest where he calls home, Shillong. I really wish this was one of Brother D'Souza's many pranks and that he would get up and walk. But he has been called by his maker and go he must. I miss you, Eric, already, as everyone here does. But I know that you will stay in the hearts of your siblings, everybody here today, and myself. And knowing you, you will find a way to guide us in the years to come. Thank you, everybody.